Ajinkya with DriveSpark at the 2016 Auto Expo. We are here at the Aprilia stall taking a closer look at the RS-GP MotoGP prototype. Aprilia has just returned to MotoGP in 2015. Designers have spent hours sculpting this model to perfection. The Italians have opted for a perfect combination between beauty and performance. All details and lines are as close to perfection as possible. If you plan to ride the RS-GP ever, you have to be the best, the very best among that ever lived. Marco Simoncelli, Valentino Rossi and Dani Pedrosa have piloted the bike in their recent careers. But among the very few that have tasted success recently was Max Biaggi in the WSBK series. That's all for now as we leave you with this eye candy, but do make sure to subscribe and like our YouTube channel.
This is DriveSpark reporting from the Renault stall at the 2016 Auto Expo.